The next product we're going to put on is our starter shingles. Now again, this is an Owens Corning product. It's part of that total protection roofing system. And basically what these are pre-cut, perforated starter shingles. There's a lot of benefits to using one of these starter shingles, and I want to kind of show you what a lot of other companies will do versus what we do as far as installing this product. So a lot of times what you'll see is a contractor will come out, they'll take just your basic 3-tab, like 20-year shingle, and on the edges of the roof, they'll actually turn this upside down, because for your first layer, you do need to make sure you don't have any tabs, you have a nice solid surface. But if the camera can pick this up, you might be able to see these little pieces of tar. Well, that's where the shingles would get stuck down at. So anything that's not stuck down by tar is susceptible to wind damage from flying off. And that's why we're replacing this roof, because it had lots and lots of wind damage on the roof. This is one of the biggest reasons why. Most of the wind damage we found was on those edges. Well, if we lay this down on the edge of the roof, kind of like this, and then we put our shingles down, well, you see where that tar strip is? It's all the way up here. That's what we're nailing, which means all of this is susceptible to wind damage. So we're gonna use a true starter shingle, the one I pulled out of that pack over there. Instead of that, we're gonna put this product down. Now it has this tar strip on the very bottom edge. So that way when we go to put our shingles down, we nail up here, check this out. It's gonna seal where that strip is, which means the wind's not gonna be able to pick that shingle up. So again, that's our third accessory product to this Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System.